I think it has to do with a couple of different things.
What is a smart office? Well, what is smart? Is smart technology, software, having good amenities? It's a lot of different ways of how do you describe smart?
I think historically we've thought of buildings and the landlords that provide those buildings as being responsible for the cardiovascular system of the building, right? So making sure the plumbing is there, making sure the walls are up, that there's hot water, cold water, air, and bandwidth.
So I think a smart office is very similar to a smart building, ultimately. It's not just about having a lot of technology in there. It's about really how do those systems interact with each other and how do they ultimately either create a step change in efficiency or create a step change in user experience.
What we're getting to today is that there is an expectation that the landlord also provides for a neurological system of the building. So it's not just making sure the plumbing is there, but starting to provide for technology that is smart enough to detect that there are people in certain sectors that need to be cooled or heated, and when they're not there anymore, to be able to save on energy and making those buildings efficient.
A smart office should be one that has a variety of systems from security and audiovisual and HVAC related, not to mention, again, sort of arrival and departure, including thinking about the visitor experience, that help to eliminate friction wherever they can.
For us, we're pretty scrappy as far as our physical space. I have not put in a lot of technology because I think it's constantly evolving and I don't want to be tethered to that and then it become obsolete. So I think the smartest thing is to actually have flexibility in your space because your business is constantly changing and you have to be able to change with it.
I think where we're going next, though, is that there's even a psychological element to it where we're wanting buildings to become sensitive, not just smart, but knowing what you would like, understanding you as an individual and tailoring your experience inside of the building to your preferences. I think that is really where we're starting to tailor towards, which is not just knowing that you are there, but knowing who you are.